Hi, my name is Christopher Hart. I'm the author of many books on how to draw anime and other types of things. And this is actually my most popular book, The Master Guide to Drawing Anime. And thanks to you, and I really mean thanks to you, it has sold over 500,000 copies. So I'd like to take a little tour of the book and show you some highlights, see if you like it. And it's nice for me to revisit it. Very fond of this book. And here is something that I think is helpful and maybe a little different. We're doing turnarounds to turn the character to show how it looks in different angles, but not just turnarounds with the proportions over the head, under the chin, under the rib cage, top of the hips. Because when you do it according to the proportions, you maintain the proportions, you maintain the look of the character. A lot of people have trouble with that. So let's go on and see what other good stuff we have here. This is a great schoolgirl outfit, and it just tugs at the right places, the contours of the body and the figure, and opens up at other places. So it really uses the figure as the guideline for the outfit, rather than just drawing an outfit without having really concern as to what's going on with the dynamics of the figure. Moving forward, let's see, we have some more figures and poses. Lots of accessories in this book to spruce up the outfit that you choose. And also, couples, friends. And instead of just posing them side by side, you can see that they are on a diagonal. And that makes them immediately more dynamic. So little hints and tricks throughout the book. And this section goes into the tween characters. They're kind of young anime characters that are very popular. And you can see the proportions here are also maintained, but they're not the same proportions as the first, older teen character. The eyes and features are all lower on the head, and the head is bigger on top. And that's the proportions of a younger character. Let's go to the last one here. A big fantasy section in the back. This character is a mermaid in the mermaid environment. And it's not just one example, but 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 steps to drawing the mermaid so you can really get it. Anyway, that is the book for today. Thank you very much for joining me. Hey, I hope you pick up a copy, and I hope you'll join me next time for another video. Bye-bye.